Hi, I'm Wes from Wes Ward Auto Repair in St. Johnsbury. It's that time of year for us to start talking about tire changeovers and inspection of some of the critical components on your vehicle, some of the things that may have been an issue over the winter. As you can see here, this vehicle is on the lift for tire changeover. We're going to inspect the brakes to make sure that they have survived the winter okay. Struts, also another issue. Coil springs that are mounted on the strut have been a big problem with potholes and frost heaps. So we check all of those items while your vehicle is on the lift to make sure that your car stays safe and reliable. So if you're driving around and you're hearing any unusual noises, any clunks or scrapes or bangs as you're going over the bumps, humming noises when you're driving down the road, please let us know when you bring your car in for service. We'd be happy to check out all of those. At the same time, we want to make sure that we look at your car from one end to the other to keep you safe. So if you have any questions, you're welcome to stop by and talk to us about it. Or if your vehicle is here and you want to see more about what's going on with your car, we're happy to show you that as well. So you can visit us online at wesward.com or like us on Facebook.